Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show a step-by-step tutorial on how to change your profile name on Sweatcoin account. So we're going to edit our username. So first we're going to go to the Sweatcoin app. Since we're logged in, we're going to click on social, then click on our profile icon, then click on the pencil button on the top right corner, then click on our name section, and you can write whatever name you want. So once you guys are done, you're going to click on Save Change. Then so once we refresh it, it's going to update to our new profile name. As you can see, it has updated it. So this is how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.